Programming isn't about what you know, it's about what you can figure out. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to be starting dictionaries in Python, the next topic of turtle programming. So, now, what is a dictionary? Python dictionaries are the unordered and changeable collection of data values. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. And a dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and it does not allow duplicates. Now, the points to remember that keys will be a single element. Values can be a list, string, number, or tuple. Dictionary does not allow duplicates, and all the keys should be unique, while values may not be. Now, the following are types of manipulations we can do in a dictionary: adding a key value pair, assignment or update method use means to add a new data, deleting a key value pair, the del or pop method used means to delete a data that we don't want, and updating value of a key means assignment or update method used. Updating means you want to update some values. We are now going to move on to the coding part, which is going to be in the next video. So stay tuned till then.